All you have to do is run this script, which will automatically like Facebook posts for which you get points. Then you can convert the collected points to money and withdraw with any of these methods, from bank wire transfer, which supports all countries, to PayPal and much more. This method is 100% working. You don't need any coding skills. You can download this script for free. Set it up once, run the script when you want, collect points, which you can turn into cash. Does that sound like something you can do? If so, give this video a like and let's get started. Stay with me till the end and follow the steps. To make this strategy work, you need a Facebook account. I advise you to create a new account for this approach. Next, you need to create an admin fast account. The link is in the description. It is free and easy to set up. Just give your email and then set a password. They will send you a mail asking you to confirm. Then you are ready to go. Next, download the free script. The link is in the description. It will take you to this blog post where I have detailed the steps. So just go here where it says download the script and click this green button. Wait till the countdown finishes and then click skip ad. Wait for a few seconds and then you will see the download. The zip file has one text file which contains the instructions to the browser to automatically like Facebook posts on AdMeFast and get you points. Keep watching. I will show you how to add this to the browser. Speaking of browsers, this script works only in the Brave browser. Just click here and you can download it. Then you need an iMacro extension. If you don't have it added already, just go here and you can add this to the browser. This is what makes it possible to run the script you just downloaded. Before you can run the script, get Facebook likes, you need to log into your Facebook account and the AdMeFast account. Then click the iMacro settings on top. Then copy all the text in the file you downloaded and go to Demo Chrome under iMacros and then Exact Relative and click Manage. Click on Edit Macro, paste the script that you just copied and save and close. Then go to Play tab, set it to 1 and max to 3 and click Play Loop. On the right, you see the script working and it is opening up tabs, and here you see the iMacro script is working and it is like the post. You saw the points increase. So I just got 20 points by just running the script. Now the next one has automatically loaded. Here you see another post that opened up. Wait for it. Here you see that the script automatically liked the post. I will stop the script now. Likewise, you can keep doing this over and over again and earn points. Keep in mind that every social media platform wants natural human interaction. So they have set limits. So don't run this continuously for a long time or you risk the account being blocked. The next step is to use these points to make money. Keep watching. I will show you how to do that. There are many sites where you can do this. One site I can recommend, which also has a high payout rate, is PlayerUp.com. PlayerUp has good reviews and you can see here in Trustpilot, 90% of the users have rated this as excellent. You can withdraw cash to PayPal or use any of the options here to withdraw money. On PlayerUp, type Facebook on the search bar here. You can see buy and sell or trade Facebook accounts, Facebook likes, shares, views, and so on in exchange for money. So let's use Facebook likes. Here you see people offering 1000 likes for $75. Likewise, you can add an entry like this. For example, let's say you're the one offering this. I buy this from you and give you this link to get likes. All you have to do is go to your AdMeFast account and go to Add Site page. Select the type that you want. So in this case, it's Facebook likes. Add the URL your customer gave. So in this case, I will just copy the blog link as an example. Adjust the number of clicks and set a limit. Add how many points you are willing to give away for each like. So for example, you can give 10 points for each like. Then if you want 200 likes, it will be giving away 2000 points for which you will make money. Now you know all the steps on how to earn money with Facebook likes. Give this method a try and start making money on Facebook on autopilot.